There you go, that is Slap Your Mama, the original recipe from Louisiana, from TW, Anthony Walker and his family, and my Slap Your Mama plus a little sprinkling of seasoning. Slap Your Mama. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today, Slap Your Mama. We're doing Slap Your Mama seasoning. I'm going to put it on some chicken drumsticks and cook them in the oven. Slap Your Mama is a real respected seasoning blend from Louisiana, created in 1996 by TW, Anthony Walker and his family. Now you can buy this all over and it's used very much in the States. Seasoning on chips, on chicken, on burgers, in coleslaw, many things, okay? Now, I love the seasoning, I can't get it now, okay? We're gonna make it, it's simple. We're gonna make the original and we're gonna make a Slap Your Mama plus, okay? We got a few more ingredients going in there. Slap Your Mama, nice and steady. Original recipe is salt forward. You can knock the salt down, not a problem. So as you would expect, it's just a straightforward chuck it in a bowl and mix. Okay, salt, garlic powder or granules, black pepper, cayenne. Woo. There you go, give it a mix. Nice and straightforward, get it all mixed in there. That is the original, no frills, nothing. That's the original Slap Your Mama. Look at that. Now the recipe today will make about 120 grams of Slap Your Mama and Slap Your Mama plus. So we're going to do a Slap Your Mama plus. We want that extra bit in there, you know, come on. Onion powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika, cayenne, red pepper flakes. We got thyme, we got oregano, we got black pepper. Mix it all together and we got a fantastic Slap Your Mama. You know, it's got the thyme in there, it's got the oregano in there. Some say it's all in the KFC seasoning, don't they? You know, so it's very much in line with that. Now, for the Slap Your Mama plus, you can take down the salt levels. You can do a low sodium by putting less salt in. There you go. Mix it in there. That is a fantastic seasoning mix. There you go. So we are going to do oven cooked chicken. Okay, now what you want, we've got about 1.5 kilos of chicken there. We're going to split it, but we want about 1 tablespoon of that in there for half that chicken, and we're going to do the same in there. Okay, now here's the secret to really crispy chicken. Baking powder in there. Baking powder in your mix. Mix it all in. Not baking soda. Now this is for chicken, okay? Don't be putting baking powder in for a burger. So it really is straightforward. I'm going to just whack some gloves on for this. I want to dry this chicken. I've got chicken drumsticks. Look at those. A nice little patting dry on there. Oven on, 200 degrees. Okay, the conversions and everything are all in the description as usual. plus the recipe, click on more. It all drops down. There you go. Now what we're going to do is lightly oil this chicken. And it is lightly, don't go crazy. Any neutral oil, olive oil, anything like that. Okay. So we got a little bit of oil. That should stick the seasoning. What I'm going to do, just to make this easier, I'm going to put 7 of those in there. Like that. I've got 7 of these on here. First lot of chicken in there, we're going to keep to that side. He says, I think we'll be able to tell what it is anyway. We're going to go with Slap Your Mama Original on there. Now you only need about a tablespoon. Okay, and we're just going to give that a mix in, all right? Just mix it up there. We don't want to be putting them on top of each other. Really, you should keep some space, but come on. We're chucking the chicken in the oven. It's going to cook anyway, isn't it? Come on. Right, and then we've got these 7 here. And this is the one that's going to get the plus. We're going to give it a mix up. Come on. Of course we are. Yeah, it don't get much more easy than that, does it? Okay. That is going in that side. Now, what we will do, turn these halfway. And hopefully we won't mix them all up. Yeah. There you go. It's straight in the oven. We're cooking this for about 45 minutes. We're going to turn them once. Now, if you have a thermometer, you will be checking these at about 75, 165 degrees. Make sure they're cooked. There you go. So when you've had about 20 minutes, you can take them out and turn them over. Right, let's turn this over. This one is Slap Your Mama at this side. And this one is Slap Your Mama Plus. Back in. So when you've had enough time, out with that chicken. Oh, Slap Your Mama. Absolutely awesome. That's Slap Your Mama. And this is Slap Your Mama Plus. Let's get it all plated up. Come on. And here comes the plus. A little sprinkling of seasoning. Slap Your Mama. So, it's finger licking. Here we go. That is the plus. That is the original. What do they look like? Virtually the same. So here we go. TW's Slap Your Mama original. Wow, that's hot. Just amazing. Just amazing. But you know, it's very basic. Salty, a little bit of spice, a little bit of garlic through there, and a bit peppery. There you go. Delicious. And now we're on with Uncle Rick's TW's Slap Your Mama Plus. So that's from Louisiana, and this is from me. Here we go. Oh. Wow. Amazing. Absolutely fabulous. Not as spicy, not as salty, more flavour. Oh, there you go. Slap your mama plus. And a hint of that barbecue because we use smoky paprika. Oh yeah. Oh goodness, that is amazing. That is absolutely amazing. Oh yeah. That is finger licking good. There you go, that is Slap Your Mama, the original recipe from Louisiana, from TW, Anthony Walker and his family, and my Slap Your Mama plus. Got that nice little flavour in there that you would expect from the KFC and things like that, from the southern chicken. There you go, that is a sensational Slap Your Mama plus. If you like what we're doing, don't forget, share with your friends, tell them how easy it is to make. Slap Your Mama. Don't slap your mama, but make Slap Your Mama. Catch you in the next video. Come on. Oh yeah. Amazing.